Good morning students. In the previous video we were talking about the punctuation marks. So yesterday we have already seen a full stop and comma. Today in this video we are going to discuss about question mark and exclamatory mark. So coming to question mark, the name itself indicates that it is used whenever you question, okay, whenever you question someone or when you write a questioning sentence, then we use this question mark. Okay, so what are you doing, where are you going, where do you live, what is the time, all these are questions. So generally this question mark is used whenever we put questions to others. Open your textbooks and turn to page number 8, children. Question mark. The question mark is an easy punctuation mark to use. It is placed at the end of a sentence to pose a question. So, this is used at the end of the sentence. For example, how are you? Okay, I am asking someone, how are you? This is my question. I am posing question to someone. So I am writing this. I am using this question mark at the end of the sentence, and as I am questioning some other, that how is he or how is she. So this is used when you question some other person. So let us see some examples. How many people will come to the party? So obviously this is also your question. You are questioning and you want to know how many people will be there at the party. So this is your question. You are expecting an answer from this. So use this question mark at the end here. Where is the guitar? So this is your question again. Do not include a question mark when it is not needed. So there is some situation where you might confuse to use question mark or no. See, when you are questioning someone and you are expecting an answer from them, then only you have to use this question mark. And let us suppose if you are guessing something and you are not expecting any answer from them, you are just guessing, at that time you need not to use a question mark there. Look at this example here. I wonder how many people will come to the party. Okay, look at this sentence. You are beginning with I wonder. It means you are trying to guess how many people will be there at the party. You are not asking question to any other person here. So in such circumstances, no need of using question mark. Okay, I'll read out the sentence again, children. I wonder how many people will come to the party. You are not asking this question directly to the person. You are guessing that how many people will be there at the party. So no need of using question mark here. A question mark is not needed here as it is a statement that expresses a thought and is not a direct question. So here look at this number 7. Question mark is not needed here because this is your thought. You are expressing your thought here and you are just guessing. This is not your direct question. So this is not a question, this is your guessing. So question mark is not needed here. So the usage of question mark is when you pose questions to others directly. Let us see what is an exclamatory mark or exclamation mark. An exclamation mark is used to show a vast range of emotions such as love, anger, happiness, confusion, elation, etc. It is also used when issuing a command or speaking forcefully. So when do we use an exclamatory mark or exclamation mark? This is the sign or mark of exclamation. So this mark is used when we express our emotions such as love, anger, our happiness or sadness. Okay. Look at the example. When punctuating an exclamatory sentence, the exclamation mark should be either at the end of the sentence or at the end of the exclaiming word. So, as we discussed that the question mark is used at the end of this sentence, similarly this is also used at the end of the sentence. This is also used at the end of the sentence as well as after the exclamatory word. So what is the exclamatory word here? There are some exclamatory words such as wow, brilliant, fantastic. So these are some exclamatory words. These are used to express. These exclamatory words are used to express our sudden expressions or sudden feelings. So let us learn from the example, children. See here, fantastic, we closed the deal. So it is either used at the end of the sentence or after these exclamatory word. Look at the first sentence, the exclamation mark is at the end of the sentence, whereas in the second sentence it is after the exclamatory word, that is after fantastic. So let us see the second rule where we have to use this exclamatory mark. In certain instances, we use only the exclamatory word to express the thought, feeling or emotion. At such times, the word is followed by the exclamatory mark. Some exclamatory words we use in writing are, see here, sometimes it is not necessary that we should use this at the end of the sentence only. We can use this exclamatory mark with these exclamatory words. Here are some exclamatory words, let us see them. Wow, what a beautiful rose, okay. Brilliant, you are expressing your feelings or expressing something when you like something. Awesome, she's looking awesome, okay. Ouch, okay, this is used when, let us suppose something hit you, then ouch, okay, you got something sprained in your leg, okay. Amazing, bravo, fantastic, tremendous, eureka, hooray, magnificent, unbelievable. Okay, when you hear something that you are unable to believe, that unbelievable. Okay, this is the exclamation. Hooray, we won the match. This is a sudden expression or sudden feelings. So this exclamatory mark is used after the exclamatory words. An exclamatory mark is used in a sentence that expresses a command. Come here now. So when you are commanding someone, okay, we can also use this when you command someone. For example, come here now. Look at this exclamation here. Be sure you don't use an exclamation mark if you are using please in your sentence. Instead, we use a full stop, okay? And if we are using please in the sentence, we need not to use exclamatory mark there, because as I told you, commanding someone to do this, to do that, command is different, and if we use please in the sentence, that is not commanding. So don't use please if you are commanding. If we are using please and saying something to do, please will you do this for me? Then you should end with a full stop, not an exclamatory mark. Please come here now, full stop. Here in the sentence, please is used here. As we are using please in the sentence, we are not using exclamatory mark here, because this is not a command, it is not an order. So in this way, we use exclamatory mark at the end of the sentence when you express sudden feelings or expressions. It is also used after the exclamatory words such as wow, fantastic, amazing, hooray, like this. Then we have got one more rule or one more situation where we use exclamatory mark. An interrogative sentence can be an exclamation too. What did you do to the dog's hair? In the above example, the person was just expressing his or her emotion, surprise or anger. The person who made the statement was not expecting an answer. So this exclamatory mark is also used in interrogation or interrogative sentence. Okay, when you question someone and when you don't expect an answer, you just expressed your feeling. What did you do to my dog? What did you do to the dog's hair? Okay, you don't want to know any answer. You are not expecting the answer from the person, but you are just posing question. Suddenly you have seen your dog, that something happened to your puppy or dog, and you just posed a question. You exclaimed, what did you do to my dog's hair? Like this, in this way. You're not expecting any answer from them, okay? This is not a direct question, just you expressed your sudden expression, you exclaimed there, okay? What happened suddenly? Sudden expression like this, okay? In this way, these are the situations where we use the exclamatory mark. In the next video, we will see some other punctuation marks.